Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kayla. For those of my returning subscribers, thanks for sticking with me. I just got home from work and I checked my mail and I got my Ipsy in, and I haven't done a Ipsy video, subscription video in quite some time, so I don't know what I'm getting. I haven't checked the app. I have no idea. I just kind of wanted to like get into it, but okay. Yeah. So Ipsy, if you've been living under a rock, Ipsy is a beauty subscription. It's only $10 a month and you always get a cute bag. This is like awesome. It kind of looks like aluminum foil. So that's awesome. Nice little like holiday New Year's kind of bag, I suppose. And then I think that's like an emerald green little zip pull. But yeah, so Ipsy always comes in a little makeup bag, which is awesome. So for 10 bucks, you get a makeup bag and you always get at least 5 products. Not that often, but sometimes you might get like an extra item. So it just, I guess, kind of depends. First thing, what is this? Space Case Cosmetics. Never heard of them before. So let's see what this is. It says it's, oh, it's a blush. It's not me, it's my sign. So here's what the packaging, the box looks like. And let's open it up. It is vegan and cruelty free. And so here's what the case looks like. Okay, so there you go. Very light, like rosy pink blush. Okay, let's swatch it. Okay, so it's very light. It feels very smooth, almost like creamy, but then it goes on dry. So it might take a little bit, but yeah, that's very like pink, very pink. So yeah, I'll have to try that out. I have some blush on already. Like I said, I just got home from work, so I already have makeup on. I'm a little bit oily, but I saw it and I was just so excited. And since I haven't done a video for a subscription unboxing in a while, I just wanted to do one. So, okay, next item is Benefit the Professional Pearl Primer. That's awesome. I haven't tried the Pearl Primer before. I love their other Professional, like the OG one. That one is amazing and it smells really good too. So let's see here. This one, so here's what the bottle container, little tube. Here's what the tube looks like, and it's supposed to be oil-free, lightweight, silky, and soft pink. So you're supposed to smooth it all over your face, layer for added brightening. Okay, so it's a brightening primer. Okay, that's why it's pearly. You can use alone, under makeup as a primer, or pat on top of makeup to touch up. So let's try it. Let's try it on top. I mean, why not? So here, I'm gonna take a little bit. I got my little mirror right here. So I'm just gonna put it like kind of under my eyes and so yeah, it's definitely like more pink. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Can you tell there's like more pink versus this side? I don't know. I can notice a difference. I swear my voice is going out. Yeah, so it just looks more pink. I don't know if it's necessarily like more brightening, but I'll try it as a primer and see how that goes. So definitely one to keep in mind, because the other professional Neo do one, like I said, it's amazing for keeping your makeup in place. Okay, so next product is by Hey Honey, and they're a really good brand. I remember using something else. It might have been a primer or foundation, I don't remember. So this is, it says look into my eyes. It's a retinol and propolis eye mask. You leave it on and your skin is supposed to absorb it. That's what the tube looks like. This is cruelty free, paraben free, SLS free. I don't know what that means. So this is designed to provide intense hydration and brightening benefits to tired and stressed under eye area while smoothing wrinkles and reducing dark circles. I need that, yeah. So yes, I will for sure be trying this out, especially tonight, and see how that works. Cause yeah, I feel like, especially lately, like my sleep has been like so weird. So I feel like I have been getting like more dark circles, and yeah, so we'll see how that works. Super excited for that one. Okay, so that's product number 3. The next product in here is by Thrive Cosmetics, an orchid stem cell complex liquid lash extensions mascara. So it's supposed to lengthen and volume. So here's the packaging, and this is in the color Bryn Rich Black. Okay. All right. So on the back it says this is without and this is with. So there's supposed to be like a major difference. I already have mascara on. Or maybe I'll try that in the morning. This is also cruelty free and vegan and paraben and sulfate free. I love the color, the teal color for the packaging. So that's awesome. Let's see here. Brush looks like. Okay, so it's like wider on this side and then it kind of like dips in. So I mean that's nice because of just the shape of your eye, like just to kind of get a better coverage on your lashes. So I don't know, let me try a little bit. Let me try to get my mirror. Okay. Ooh, that thing is dirty. All right, so let me just put a little bit on and see if it makes a difference. I don't know. I mean, again, it's hard to tell because I already have mascara on. So I'll have to try that when I am like doing a fresh face. Okay, moving on. This is the last product in here. Juliet Has a Gun perfume, and which scent? Simply Unique. Okay, so here's the box. All right, and this is a really decent size like sample for perfume. It just says Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. It's made en France, en français. The description on the back, it says it's created and designed by Romano Ricci, great grandson of Nina Ricci. Not a perfume, is a molecular composition and will not resemble to anything you've ever tested before. Made out of a single ingredient, Cetalox. It has no top or heart notes, so while testing it, chances are you will experience a certain weakness at first glance, but don't rush too fast into conclusions. It is one of our top sellers, and there's a good reason for that. The fragrance simply stands out. So, to be honest, I've had a sample of this before, and I honestly do not remember what it smells like. So, let's spray it. I'm just gonna spray it on the box. Oh, I do like that. It's okay, so if you guys have ever smelled the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume, it has that like subtle powdery kind of floral scent, but it's not as like, I don't know. It smells very similar to that. I'm like, hang on. Let me smell. Let me spray this on. I'll just spray it on here. The Juliet one has more of like a powdery smell, but it's really similar to Marc Jacobs. So whatever they have in there, I mean, it's not exactly the same, of course, but it's very similar scent to the Marc Jacobs. I keep showing you this, but very similar to Marc Jacobs Daisy. I think if you like Marc Jacobs Daisy, you would like this. So if you like that kind of floral, kind of powdery scent. So yeah, honestly, that's not bad. I like it. I like it. Scents change over time, so I mean, I honestly don't remember what I thought about that perfume when I received their samples before. Maybe I liked it, maybe I didn't, I don't know, but you know, scents are always changing. But I do love the Daisy perfume, so this one I really don't mind. Okay, so that was everything that I got in my Ipsy bag. They always put like a card in there with like information. It looks like this month's theme is discovering yourself. Sparkle, shimmer, and shine. You know, we're ringing in the new year, so hence the shine. Yeah, so that was everything. Birchbox normally they'll do like a promotion annually where you can get like a 1-year subscription for like $80. So you're essentially getting like a few boxes for free, which is awesome. A few months ago, Ipsy had some kind of promotion where they were offering like a subscription at a discounted price if you paid in full at the time, kind of like what Birchbox did. Birchbox, I ended up canceling maybe about a year or so ago because I just kind of felt like I was overwhelmed with the 3 subscriptions that I have. It was that, Ipsy, and then Sephora Play. So I kept Sephora Play because I know for sure I'm always gonna get high-end products in that one. And then Ipsy is great because they offer like a wide variety of brands month to month. You can earn rewards and you can like redeem them for things, and then they'll be included in, you know, the next month's bag and stuff. I prefer getting the makeup bags because they're more functional versus Birchbox. I'm always getting the box with all the products in it. And I've collected so many of the boxes over the years. I've reused them for other things. Like I've reorganized my my drawers, my Alex drawers in my vanity to kind of separate different makeup products and things like that. But they were just piling up so much, and I even gave some away to my grandmother to use for organizing. But there's just so many, and I was just like, okay, you know what? I hate having these go to waste. And plus a lot of times I would get the same products in my Birchbox and my Ipsy bag, and sometimes if it was like a product that I did not care for, it just, it's like now I have to deal with that. First world problems, you know. So yeah, that's my kind of 2 cents on things, but they're still great. I mean, honestly, like versus one or the other, they're both not bad. It's just a little repetitive, you know, having to deal with the same products, you know, kind of sometimes. So yeah, that was everything for my Ipsy bag. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.